Hello and welcome to Videojug.
Yes, today we're going to be making beatboxing puppets like this one. Great!
Yes, today I'll be making a lovely little lady beatbox puppet.
And I'm going to be making a little man puppet.
Whose do you think will be better?
Mine.
Videojug! To make your beatbox puppet, you will need a sock. There we go. You can use your dad's old sock. Don't worry about asking for his permission. He won't mind.
Next up, you need some googly eyes made out of buttons. Stick them on like that.
For the arms, you can use some old rolled up socks like these ones. There you go.
And finally, all you need is a big beatboxing mouth like that. All the better to beatbox with.
Mine has got a full head of hair.
Wow, mine's got eyebrows.
Well, mine has got a wonderful, lovely pink sparkly necklace.
Mine's got a medallion.
And mine has got a feather boa.
Mine's got a hat. You're rubbish.
Come on, bring it.